back, friends. Now we're going to be learning how to subtract numbers with what? Borrowing. Yes, some students find it difficult to subtract numbers when they have to what? Borrow from another number. Now let's see how it is done. Solution. Question 1. We have 875,645 minus 584,505. Then we subtract. 5 take away 5 is impossible. Sorry, 5 take away 5 is 0. When you have 5 apples and you give out the whole 5 apples, what are you left with? Nothing. Now that's 0. 4 take away 0 is 4. 6 take away 5 is 1. 5 take away 4 is 1. 7 take away 8 is impossible. Now what do we do from here? We're going to borrow from 8. Borrow 1 from 8, add it to 7 to make it 17. Now in this case, it's going to be 17, which forms a what? Whole number that is greater than the number you're subtracting with. Then here we're left with how many? 7. When we take away 1 from 8, we're left with 7. Now 17 take away 8 is what? 9. And then 7 take away 5 is 2. Now we have 291,140. Okay, that's that for question 1. Question 2, we have 951,753 minus 357,159. Now 3 take away 9 is impossible, right? So what do? We're going to borrow from 5, add it to 3 to make it 13. Now 13 take away 9 is 4. How do we do that? We're going to count 9 and then use our fingers to get a number up to 13. 9 in my head, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so that's 4. Then the next is what? 4 take away 5. 4 take away 5, is it possible? No way. Then we borrow from 7, add it to 4 to make it what? 14. Now, what is left from here? We have 6. 14 take away 5 equals 9, right? Equals 9. And then 6 take away 1 equals 5. Can 1 take away 7? That's impossible. So what do? We are going to borrow from 5, add it to 1 to make it 11. And here we're left with 4. Now, 11 take away 4 equals... Sorry, 11 take away 7. I've already given away the answer. 11 take away 7 equals 4. And then 4 take away 5 is also impossible. Then we borrow 1 from 9, add it to 4 to make it 14. 14 take away 5 equals 9. And then we have 8 here. 8 take away 3 is what? 5. And then our answer is 594,594. Okay, question 3. We have 405,096 minus 68,888. 6 take away 8 is impossible. Then we borrow from 9, add it to 6 to make it 16. 16 take away 8 is what? 8. And then we have 8 left here. 8 take away 8 is 0. And then 0 take away 8 is impossible. Then we borrow from 5, add it to 0 to make it 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. And then we have 4 left here. 4 take away 8 is impossible. And we cannot take away from 0, so we have to borrow from 4. We borrow 1 from 4, add it to 0 to make it 10. Borrow 1 from 10, add it to 4 to make it 14. Now 14 take away 8 is what? 6. Then here we're left with 9. 9 take away 6 is 3. And here we're also left with 3. 3 take away nothing equals 3. And then our answer is 336,208. Question 4. We have 174,582 minus 3,509. Now, can 2 take away 9? Is impossible. We borrow from 8, add it to 2 to make it 12. And here I left it 7. 12 take away 9 equals 3. 7 take away 0 is 7. 5 take away 5 is 0. And 4 take away 3 is 1. Then we're left with what? 7 and 1. And our answer is 171,073. Yes, a lot of students find this difficult to calculate. Okay, so keep watching for more videos to come. And I'll see you in my next video. And have a wonderful day.